Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I want to discuss what is freelancing, what is lead generation, what is lead, why do you need lead generation. So let's start. First I discuss what is freelancing. Freelancing is a self-employment and not necessary to committed a particular employer long term. A freelancer or a freelance worker is a self-employment person who earns money by providing their service or selling product by multiple clients. A freelancer can do a lot of work by their service. He can do multiple clients or multiple projects at the same time. So now I will discuss what is lead generation. Lead generation is a process where we find the leads. If you don't know what is lead, I hope you want to know what is lead. A lead is a personal contact where our client can contact with them and then they marketing or selling their service or their product. That's lead. And the full process is a lead generation process. Why do you need lead generation? Everybody want to know why do you need lead generation? Why I work and why our client work with us. I hope lead generation is the first process of marketing. You want to know why, how. Basically, if you want to marketing, what you do? First, you have to target the market, target the person, target the company, then you can marketing. So, lead generation is the thing where we can find our client's target and our clients, which company, which product, which service we can find and then give to our client. That's the process and that's why we are doing lead generation work. So if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. In the next, I will full discuss how to do lead generation work step by step. So please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Bye bye.